So ready na ba kayo? Ready na po ako. Yan, na-record na po to. Yan, na-record na natin. So sino po sa inyo yung ready na? Type I am ready sa chat box natin. Yan, type I am ready, no? So kasi yung speaker po natin, ako I was able to work with him closely under his leadership po, no? So yung matututunan, ako po, I can guarantee you, I can attest to you guys na sobrang dami nyo pong matututunan sa taong to. No? And we're very, very privileged na naging part siya ng IM Worldwide, specifically Team Victory, di ba? So sobrang happy po natin kasi iba po yung wisdom na may experience natin or ma-share niya sa atin, no? So kumbaga, there are some people ang natuturo lang sa atin based on the book, based doon sa kung ano yung nababasa nila. But for this person po, I can really say na yung matututunan nyo po sa kanya is coming from experience. Basically, wisdom. No? So, kaya talagang i-maximize po natin to, 'di ba? So kung meron po kayong may headset kayo, 'di ba? Tapos kung wala naman kayong headset, you can be in a room in your house na sobrang quiet talaga para talagang maintindihan natin at talagang tumatak yung training na po ito. No? So again, we're very 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 blessed to have him in I Am Worldwide in our team victory. Yan, masaya ba kayo na part siya ng team natin? Diba? Masaya ba kayo? Comment nyo yan. Diba? So although he is new, bago pa lang sa team natin, pero when it comes to experience, parang hindi po to bago eh. Diba? Kasi sobrang dami po nating matututunan dito kasi he has been exposed in the MLM industry, not just here in the Philippines, not just, national, pero international, may experience din siya. No? So kumbaga talagang pwede nating masabi na siya, may tinatawag kasi na international networker. Kasi na-experience mo yung different countries. Hindi lang sa ibang bansa, parang if I'm not mistaken, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, talagang nag-travel siya to really help people, especially in the network marketing business. So wag na po nating patagalin, no? Kasi ako excited na talaga akong marinig yung i-share niya po sa atin, no? So, some of you kilala nyo siya. Yan. So, alam na alam nyo, 'di ba, na sobrang dami nating matututunan sa taong to. So, alam ko excited na din siya and I'm really excited for each and every one of us here kasi sobrang dami nating matututunan. So, wag na natin patagalin. Yan, para sa taong to, 'di ba? Let's all welcome in our virtual stage. Milyong-milyong palakpakan naman diyan, yung react button. Yan. Sirain nyo. Milyong-milyong palakpak. Yan. Para sa ating mentor, Adrian Del Rosario.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ian, Mentor Ian. Ang hirap sundan ni Sir Ian kasi alam nyo ba, before I went to Africa, ganyan din ang itsura ko na dengue lang kasi ako doon. Kaya I promise not to go back to Africa after that. No? Thank you, Mentor Ian. So I had the chance of working with Ian for quite some time. Talagang magaling po si Sir Ian. No? Aside from the looks, no? Sabi kasi dati looks lang. Hindi, parang, this is a complete package. Thank you, Sir Ian, for that introduction. So, amazing morning to everyone. I'm very excited for today when I was invited by Mentor Kath and Carlo about a few days ago when we were in sa office yata sa McDonald's, no, after head office kasi pumunta ako sa office natin last Monday. Dami ko nakita doon, no, pasensya hindi ko ba nakikita, so I was invited, so I'm excited, although we have limited time, no, kasi I think you have other activities, and after this I have 3 more sessions po. I started around 10 a.m. Ang dami, no, ang daming activities ever since I went public, or should I say si Sir Mentor TG nilabas yung pictures namin with press and GM. Wala na. Yung iba po gusto magpa-recruit. Ang dami, hindi po na matapos, pero it's not about me, no? It's about how beautiful I Am Worldwide is. Kasi no matter how good you are, how great you are, how well you speak, if you don't have the right company, wala, it won't last, no? So I give credit to I Am Worldwide. So I'm glad, I'm really blessed to be part of I Am Worldwide. And of course, Team Victory. Thank you for welcoming me. Iba nakasama ko po dun sa team building. So maraming salamat for the warm welcome pag nakikita ko po kayo, I feel hindi po ako bago rito. So let me just see those who are here. Pwede ba mabati saglit na mabilis? Ayan, so, ayan, nandyan sila mentor. Of course, si Mentor Kath, no? I've been, thank you, Mentor Kath, for assisting me. Makulit ako, pati simpleng paggawa ng ID. May ID na po ako, official. So, ID po, bumili ng ganito, lahat. So, I have my ID kasi ganun po ako. I work on the basics. That's very important when you do the business. We cannot neglect the basics. Kasi before we move to the next level, we have to master the basics. Wag nating nilalang lang po yung mga ordinaryong ganyan. So talaga inuna ko yung ID, inuna ko yung ganito, pinag-aralan ko po. In fact, I joined last March 1, pero Sir TJ and I, we have been communicating since 2020 po. So, kaya kung that's roughly about 5 years. So, kaya kung meron po kayong kinakausap na 5 months pa lang, you still have about 4.5 years to go. Huwag kayong magsawa. So, we've been friends, kami nila. So, I've been watching I Am Worldwide since then, nung pandemic. So, ayan, Mentor Ann, Angeles, of course, nandyan si Mentor Ian, Mentor Therese, isa sa naniwala agad sa akin. No? Soon you'll see her. Mentor PC Chu, lahat, Marisa, hello, Carlo, of course, Nelson, Roland, Sir Arnold, Mentor Galaxy, Believers, Mitch, hello, Team Poseidon is here, Christian, Wena Flores, Bing Torres, lahat po kayo, Melanie, yung iba natakpan. So gusto ko lang mabati. Uy, si DJ, thank you. One of the first few I met pagkababa ko ng sasakyan sa team building. Bro, listen to this guy. Napakagaling po, full of wisdom. Thank you, bro, for that welcome. And I decided to continue talaga. Parang gusto ko nang bumalik ng team building. Pero nung I was able to speak with him pagbaba ko ng sasakyan and it changed everything na dagdagan. Salamat, DJ, for being here. Team Lionheart, Wena Flores, everyone, thank you for being here. Yan, hindi na makita yung iba. So, yan, I was asked to share what I have shared dun sa team building. I have prepared sana iba, kaya lang I'm limited kasi yung time. So I was asked by Mentor TJ and Kath to share what I have shared dun sa team building. And those who were there, I would just like to share kung ano po yung sinare ko dun sa team building. Pero don't worry kasi next time naman we'll be having another session. In fact, I have prepared yung foundations of the business sana, yung about skill set, mindset, health set, soul set, and everything. So I hope this won't be the last. So before we start, can we pray? Okay lang ba? Should I pray? Can I pray? Okay. Mabilis lang po. Heavenly Father, we acknowledge your presence today in this divine appointment, divine meeting, presentation, and learning session. Lord, thank you for being with us. Thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for, you'll be the speaker tonight. You'll just use me. Thank you for an open hearts and minds of this victorious people in front of me. Maraming salamat po. Lord, thank you for a good connection for everyone. Wala po sana mag-brown out. Wala po sana maputol ng kuryente or anuman. And those who are driving, those who are, Lord, please bless them, guide them. Those who are working, sana hindi mahuli po ng kanilang amo. So, protect them, Lord. So, all of this we ask, in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Ayan. So, alam nyo, I always pray, no? Kasi kinakabahan po talaga ako. I've been speaking for quite some time, since 2000, matagal na po. Kasi I've been in the industry for, baka hindi pa pinapanganak yung iba, 2000, teka lang, 19 years po, 19 years. And tama straight yung 16 years dun sa previous company. And then merong isang, mga 3 years yon. So that's about 19 years. Maganda naman yung, pero ang description ko, when a lot of people been asking me, especially yesterday, this is a total upgrade of what I saw. Dun sa what I've experienced for the last 16 years, kaya I decided this is a total upgrade of everything. From the product, from the marketing plan, from the environment, which is very peaceful po talaga and convenient. Talagang, ayan, merong nagsasalita. Ayan, so tama si Sir Ian, mabilis lang po. I'll just, lalo na hindi po ako nakikilala. So ako po yung nag-network 2009 and mabilis din po yung resulta ko kasi during that time, although it's water under the bridge, no, pero gusto ko lang makita nyo so you can relate where I'm coming from. In 2 months, I became part of the Millionaire Circle dun sa first company and then dito rin sa second company. And then mabilis po. And then I was asked to be part of the Speakers Bureau, pioneering, kasabay yung mga ano doon. And then I was asked to be part of the management to assist the board of directors. And then after 3 months, I was asked to open Nigeria 2012. So partly, I opened 4 companies, pero an employee po ako. So I've experienced, like sinasabi, from the front side of the desk, sa likod ng desk, sa ilalim ng desk, kung saan mang desk. And nag-network po ako sa Africa. Wala pa pong opisina, walang product, walang payout, walang everything. We started. And dito sa Philippines, about 3 years ago, we put up a company. And so far, it's successful. Until now, it's going on. It's working. So, what I'm saying, yung mga isi-share ko po sa inyo is not just part of the book or theoretical. This is based on my experience and observation po. Ayan. I hope you learn something from this. And you can use it. Ang importante yung application po kasi. Kasi no matter how many trainings you'll attend to, if you will not put into practice po, talaga makakaroon tayo ng it won't convert. Walang transformation. Information is nothing. Yeah, you need information, retain the information, and then you have to put it into practice so there'll be transformation. Okay? Information, tapos you do it consistently, then there's transformation. Ang transformation, yung pagbabago mo, ang transformation, it's also the results that you want. From information to transformation. Pero I'll be sharing a few principles that I think it's you can use. No, when we see each other sa office po, sa ibang mga meeting, you can always approach me. I hope I can share and help. Nandito po ako to always assist, serve, and help. Yan po ang aking purpose, ASH. Assist, serve, and help. That's my purpose. No? So, tumulong. And ako po magpapatulong sa inyo kasi hindi naman ako nandito dahil magaling po ako. Yan, thank you, David, DJ. Si DJ. Yes. Hashtag ASH. Assist, serve, and help. Yan po kasi naging principle natin, madali. It's yung agenda, which is the commission, which is the package, will come in later. When we are thinking of how can I assist the prospect, how can I assist my new downline, how can I assist my business partner here. So yun, serve, how can I serve, how can I help, ganun lang. And watch how it transforms, no, yung ano niyo po. Ayan, so without further ado, daldal no? Sorry next time habaan natin. Meron lang talaga kaming presentation. Ayan, lalabas ko na. Ayan, I think na okay na. Narinig, share. Okay, ayaw ma-share. Na-share na ba? Ayun. Nakikita niyo po? Can you do a thumbs up or anything? Kung nakikita. So, ayun. Thank you, Sir Carl, Mentor Carlo and Mentor Roland. So, tonight, we'll talk about leaders. Kayo po. This is about you. Being the leader of pack, no, yung sinasabi, pinaghalo-halo ko. We will learn a lot from the different attitudes of the animals. Pero siyempre, hindi natin lahat dapat ina-adapt yung mga qualities ng iba. So, you might be asking, leader, am I a leader? Wala pa, kakasali ko pa lang. You might be asking, di ba? Kakasali ko pa lang, leader. So, alam nyo, you have to lead yourself. Okay? So kayo po yun. You have to lead yourself. Ang pinakamahirap pong i-lead yung sarili kasi ikaw yung boss. You are the boss. You are the mentor of yourself. Pwede mo sabihin, mamaya na ako tumayo. Ang aga pa, 7 o'clock pa lang. Ay, 8 o'clock pa lang. Ay, 1 o'clock pa lang. And then, lumampas yung araw. You can always say, ayoko muna presenta niya, marami pa namang prospect. You lead yourself. In fact, it's not just about leaders. No? Lahat po tayo leader. Lahat tayo, we are potential. We'll talk about po yung spirit of leadership. Alam nyo, when we came to this earth, meron tayong leadership spirit. Ibig sabihin, kakayahan, the capability to lead people. However, yung iba hindi nila na ma-maximize yun kasi because of the environment, because of the upbringing, sometimes kailangan silang matulak no? Natutulak. In fact, ako rin dati, I don't want to speak. Nahihiya po ako pero dahil natulak ng pagkakataon, yung pala enjoy ako magsalita. So, para tayong buto, ito po yung lagi kong sinasabi. So, para tayong buto, ang potential po ng buto or ng seed is inside. No? Sa loob ng buto, inside the seed is a plant. that can become a tree, and that tree can become a forest. What I'm saying, yung potential mo nasa loob mo. Ikaw, yung tao mo, pwedeng ikaw distributor ka lang, dealer ka lang, pwede mong sabihin, pero inside that leader, inside that dealer, distributor, nasa loob niyan yung yung sapphire. Sa loob ng sapphire, nandyan yung syempre emerald, ruby, diamond, black diamond, and so on and so forth. That's the potential. However, hindi na ma-manifest nung iba because of so many things. Yung mga sinabi sa atin, because of the environment where we are. So that's the challenge, that's the problem. Kaya nga maganda yung may ganito po kasi we are in the right environment. I congratulate everyone for attending this kind of sessions. Kasi dito po hinuhulma yung mga pag-iisip natin. Kasi pag nasa bahay tayo, pinapakinggan natin, no? Not for all, but syempre yung mga negative things, di ba? So, yun ang, yun ang naririnig nyo sa opisina, puro negatibo. So, tinataniman mo yan. Alam nyo ba kahit hindi i-repel mo yan when you watch something, when you heard something that is not good, may naiiwan po dyan residue. Alam niyo po ba yung residue? Can you type in residue? Ang residue, parang pag uminom ka ng, halimbawa, uminom ka ng barley natin, ginaganon ko yun talaga eh. Pag ganun ko may natitira, di ba residue po ang tawag doon. Likewise, when you read something, when you hear something, may natitira dyan. When you see something, kahit ibaling mo yung tingin mo sa iba, nakikita mo pa rin eh. Residue, parang ganun. That's why you be careful to the things that you watch, you listen to, di ba? Importante yun. Now, ang pag-uusapan po natin, not just leaders, kasi lahat naman pala kami leaders, Adrian, pero it's not just about leaders, it's about leadership. Ang dami pong leader, they fail. They already achieved something, pero after a few while, nalaligaw. Kahit lumabas po tayo sa industriya ng direct sales or network marketing, may mga leader tayo na politiko na, well, nakulong after. Why? Because they don't have the leadership spirit. Tonight we'll focus on attitude o yung perception and thinking. Uulitin ko po, leadership, attitude, perception, or thinking. Isa lang po yan, yung pananaw. Pananaw mo sa sarili mo, pananaw mo sa produkto, pananaw mo sa ating business, pananaw mo sa ginagawa mo. It is very important. Kasi pag iba yung pananaw mo, hindi tama, tugma dun sa gusto mo, malabong makuha yung gusto mo or it would take some time. Let's move forward why leadership is very important. Ay, bakit siya ay mag-play? Ayun, sorry. Alam niyo kung ganong leadership, how important is leadership? Let me quote what one of my mentors says. No, sayang, nasa heaven na siya eh. Kung gusto daw natin ang may mangyari sa ginawa natin, magsimula o mag-improve from the rank, mag-rank up, mag-improve ang iyong skills, ma-develop ka, may magbago or mag-progress and to succeed, kailangan ng leadership. So nothing happens about leadership. So hindi pala pwede na leaders lang. Kasi napakaraming leaders and they fail. So ang gusto kong iiwan sa inyo, isa sa mga maraming bagay na iiwan sa inyong gabi, your leadership spirit. Ibig sabihin, your attitude towards yourself, sa sarili mo, towards the products and the business, towards sa ginagawa mo. Malaking bagay po yun. Dahil pag ikaw mismo hindi naniniwala doon, magkakaproblema po tayo. So mapapagod lang kayo. Bakit ganun? Meron ang naging successful, naging ganito na nawala pa. Why? There's something wrong with the leadership. Pag pumasok, sabi ko lagi, alam niyo po, minsan kasi pag nag-rank up, pag nakuha na yung ganito, naka-sports car, I'm not referring to anyone. Pag pumasok po kasi sa ulo natin, yung success, that is the start of your downfall. Ang hirap makabalik. Alam niyo yung pera sa bangko, hindi sa ulo. Ulitin ko, ang pera sa bangko, hindi sa ulo nilalagay. Kasi pag nilagay natin dito yung pera or yung success, it's only a matter of time. You're going down. You're going down. So, I hope you get that clear. Now, let me share with you on how to lead. I'm not saying this is not the only way to lead. We can learn invaluable lessons from a wolf. Ano ba yung lobo? Alam niyo po ba yung lobo? Ha? Alam niyo, can you type yes kung alam niyo yung lobo? Yung may tali, lumilipad, lobo. Hindi, iba yun. Iba po yun. Joke lang. So, sabi kasi ni Ian, ni Mentor Ian, pwede magpatabaw. Wolf, ano? Paano po? Kung nakikita niyo po ito, yung tatlong nasa harap na merong circle na red, these are the weak, sick, and old. Alam nyo, nasa harap po sila. They dictate the pace. Ganito kabilis, pahinga tayo, kain, let's go. So sila po ang nagsasabi kung ganong kabilis ang andar. Next to them, yung naka-yellow na square, a rectangle, that's the 5 of the strongest wolf. Mga wolves, so sila yung pinakamalakas. 5 sa pinakamalakas sa pack. They protect the old, the sick, and the slow. Para kung meron pong attack dun sa left or sa right, they can easily help out. Yung 8 kasunod are well protected. These are the average, no, na mediocre na wolf, part of the team or the pack. They're also protected because next to them yung next 5 of the strongest. Likewise, pag meron pong attack dun sa upper left or sa right, those nandun sa green can easily help out. So they are also protected. Nakikita niyo po yung may arrow na blue? Yan po yung alpha wolf. Yan po yung alpha mentor. Crown mentor. Siya po yung nasa likod. Bakit po? Siya po ang nag-ensure na yung pack straight. Pag merong kailangan kong pumunta rito sa left, kailangan nung nandun, kailangan sa right, siya ang nagsasabi, let's stop. Meron na uhuli, nakakalimutan nyo to. He leads from behind. He leads from behind. Hindi laging siya yung bida. Hindi dahil nasa likod o nasa harap. He leads from behind so he can see everyone. Na walang naiiwan. Ang leadership po, it's not just being in front. Yes, gusto natin ma-recognize yung ayaw ma-rank up. Ako, gusto ko nang ma-rank up agad eh. May nahabol nga ako eh. Ma-rank up, gusto natin magkasasakyan, we want to speak, we want to get all yung accolades, yung respect. Gusto natin yun. Pero it's not just that. Ang leadership talaga po, it's about taking care of your people. Isa po sa nagustuhan ko yan dito sa kultura ng IM Worldwide, particularly sa ating marketing plan. Remember, meron kang kailangang gawin before you rank up, tapos may auto-spill. That's hindi mo pwedeng, hindi ma-activate yung greed. Kasi laging extreme right and left, tama ba ako? Tama ba ako? So, alam mo yon, hindi ka pwede. It's not activating. Isa sa napag-usapan namin, kinuwento sa akin na one time I had the meeting with press. I have the privilege of being, talking to press AM. Isa yan, no? Ayaw niya ma-activate yung greed, ito muna, no? So that's helping. That's helping. So kaya sabi ko, okay ito, di ba sinabi, I think it was Zig Ziglar, if you want to get what you want, you help people down the line, di ba? So sa atin, literal na, this is a different marketing plans na nakita ko. No, trust me, I've seen different marketing plans. Hindi lamang po sa Pilipinas. Name it, sa Asia, sa Africa, I've been around. I've been talking to leaders in Africa, mga iba-iba po. There are about 10, 15 marketing plans. So kala ko, yung last namin, that's the best. Kasi sabi nila, this is hybrid. And totoo naman. Kaya lang, however, nung nakita ko to, this is a total upgrade. This is a total upgrade. So aside from kikita, kasi sure na makikita, it's about helping. Isa sa principle ko po yan. So natutuwa ako. So let me share that. Ang leadership, it's about service po. It's about service. Paano kita matutulungan? How can I help? How can I serve? So pag ganun po tayo, dapat inuuna natin yung purpose. Paano kaya matutulungan tong prospect? Kasi minsan we are saying what we want. Hindi yung gusto ng prospect or nung mentor o yung business partners natin. So sabi nga ni Simon Sinek, it's about taking care of the people under your charge. Ibig sabihin, Ano bang pangangailangan nito? Ang tawag ko naman dyan, parental leadership. No, you take care of the people. Parang ganito, yung parents, those who are parents here, pag nagkamali, di ba, you take care of, how do we take care of our family? Parents, kahit ikaw ay nanay or tatay, you provide opportunity. You provide opportunity. Tama? Binibigyan mo ng oportunidad yung ano, let me say that again. You provide education. Binibigyan mo para makapag-aral ng anak, di ba? As young as 6, 5 years old, you provide education. Next, pag medyo natuto na, you give them opportunity to grow. Tinuturuan mo mag-grow. They don't just stop on ito lang gagawin, natutunan. And then pag mali, we correct them, we discipline them. That's parental principle. That's the
Nag-mention na Oo, nag-mention na siya.
Basahin mo. Talikod ka.
Hindi nga.
Another Adrian, na-mute po kayo.
mute na ako.
Ayan, okay na po. Thank
Okay,
you.
sorry. Ayan. So, parang ganun. Alam nyo, I believe you all agree, no? So, yung, how do we, Sir Adrian, how do we, you call me A. Wag nang sir na mas magagaling pa. Mas nauna pa kayo sa akin. It's okay. Ang
Wala po si Sir.
Ayun, commercial muna. Wala ata, Sir A. Ayan.
Bakit nakakita?
Ayan. O baka nag-brown out sa kanila.
Message ko na.
Mainit yung topic. Ang ganda ng topic eh. Di ba? So, grabe. Nag-start pa lang siguro 10 minutes, 15 minutes pa lang, no? Loaded na yung mga knowledge na share ni ni Mentor A, di ba? So, grabe talaga. So, ayan. So, kumusta po kayo lahat? Siguro we're 47, 48 kanina. So, congratulations to all of our participants. Yan, palakpakan naman dyan. Congratulations. So, pwede nyo bang i-comment sa comment section natin saan kayo nanonood? Kasi hindi natin alam eh. So, baka different places tayo eh. No? So, para alam natin. Ayan. So, comment. Imus Cavite, Tondo. Ayan. Ayan. Pumasok na Sir A. Ayan. Dami. Barcelona, Spain, of course. Ayan. Si Mentor Sheila. Ayan. Welcome back, Mentor A.
saan kayo pumunta? Sabi ko, ba't nawala kayong lahat? Iniwan nyo ako. Kakakabit lang kasi. Sabi ko, ba't nawala kayong lahat? Ano ko iniwan? Sabay-sabay pa kayo ha. Anyways, hindi kakakabit lang nung wifi. Nung nagpakabit ako kanina ng internet. Hinugot yata nung kapitbahay. Sabi ko, nawala kayong lahat. Sandali. Sorry po. Sorry.
No problem. Back to you, Mentor A.
Sige, thank you. Nawala eh. Okay. Wala, ayaw mag-share. Yan. Okay na siya, Mentor Ian.
Yes po.
Ayan. So, as I was saying, isa sa ginawa kong natutunan ko doon, alam niyo po, and it's been effective. Kaya nung nabasa ko yung kay Simon Sinek, totoo pala. So, let's educate. Pag may sumali po sa atin, or when we present, educate them, don't convince them. Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Sir Mentor TJ nung nanood ako nung Monday. Do not convince them, you educate. Pag na sumali na, pag na ng group natin, you educate them. Sorry. Ang daming istorbo, pati alarm. Sorry. we educate them. Pagpasok sa group, we educate them, provide education, product, business plan. Huwag yung, o sige, mag-recruit ka na, magdala ka na lang, wala na, basta umattend ka lang. No, it won't work. Kasi you want to be duplicated. So ang una mong gagawin is to educate those people. Yung dalawa, you educate them. But first, you have to also help them get what they want. No? Yung talagang gusto nila dito sa business. Hindi yung gusto mo muna. For example, I want to earn 10,000. Kunyari lang ganun, per month. O you educate them on how they can get the 10,000. And then you raise up the target once they reach yung 10,000. Tapos, and then pag ganun, hindi lang basta kumita. Ang sunod is about provide opportunity for them to grow. Paatinin natin ang training, pagsalitain natin. Huwag yung, sige, invite ka lang, huwag ganito. No. Opportunity to grow. And of course, ito, ang pinakamahirap, lalo na pag kumikita. Guilty ako dati nito. Pag kumikita, minsan ang hirap i-disiplinahin pag mali ang ginagawa. Alam niyo po, huwag niyong hayaan mangyari yon kasi when it happens, magiging problema po yan. Maliit lang naman na bagay na problema. Mentor, sir, maliit. Hindi, alam niyo yung maliit, pag lumaki yan, alam niyo yung seed management principle, dapat pag maliit pa lang daw yung puno o yung dahon o yun muna, patayin mo. Kasi pag umugat yan, kumapalong, ang hirap na. So, do not allow it. Pag may mali. Isa rin yan sa nagustuhan ko po dito sa I Am Worldwide. Now, let me continue. I hope you're learning something. No, so anong pagkakaiba? So, paborito ko itong ginagawa ko to. Anong pagkakaiba ng excuse the word, for the hog or yung pig sa crab? Anong pagkakapareho o pagkakaiba? Parang ganun din sa atin sa mga mentors, sa mga leaders, sa mga network builders, sa mga nagbebenta. Alam niyo yung crab, hindi mo makukuha lahat sa kanya. May matitira dyan. When you cook the crab, niluto natin, merong matitira. So kahit kainin mo pa yung mga sipit niyan, you cannot eat the shell or walang gamit yung shell. Walang gamit na yan. Siguro yung taas meron, yung baba pwedeng pang decor, pwedeng ashtray yung bubong niya. Pero hindi lahat, no? Unlike the pig, lahat binigay niya Lahat binigay. Di ba? Pati yung pisngi, yung tenga, yung buntot, ginagawang sisig, yung kalahati ng muka, pati yung paa, ginagawang patatim. Halos walang tapon. Yung loob, pag nilitsyon, ginagawa siyang tawag dito, ano ba yan? Yung pag may litsunan, merong dinuguan. Halos lahat walang tapon. Yung isaw, binigay lahat. What I'm saying, iba po yung pagiging involved lang. Sa committed talaga. Kasi may meron tayong mga mentors, may mga leaders tayo, may mga taong wala, involved lang. Ano yun? Wala. O sige, gagawin ko to. O may training. Pero hanggang doon lang. Attend ako ng training, attend ako sa team day natin. Pag umaga yan, pag hapon, pag hindi umulan, pag hindi umaraw, pag hindi humangin. Lahat na ng reason. Pero yung commitment ng isa talagang seryoso, na talagang wants result, no matter what, I'll do everything. I'll give everything. Ganon din po sa ating pagpapalaki ng grupo. No, pag during happy days, okay kakasama mo sila, pero pag medyo magkakaproblema na, iwan na natin yung mga tao natin. So hindi ganon. So I want you to think like parang hindi maganda, no? Think like a pig. Parang ganon. Isipin nyo, hindi think like a pig. Isipin nyo pag yung ibigay lahat. That's what I want you to get from this metaphor. Dapat when we do something, lalo na sa business, lalo na po pag kayo po ay full-time, you left your job, ako iniwan ko talaga. There's no turning back po. There's no turning back. And todo talaga. So, not because I want to earn lang, pero iba talaga. So, I want you to get that. Now, let's move forward. Even though sometimes we have the leadership spirit, tama po yung pananaw natin, yung attitude, we get distracted. So, avoid distractions. No? Sabi nga ng iba, you run your race, huwag po tayong ma-distract. And maraming distraction. Yung cellphone na lang, distraction na po ito. Di ba? Minsan magpo-post ka, may nakita kang, uy, may sumasayaw na pusa ah. Hanggang 2 oras ka na pala nagaganon, di ba? So distracted ka na. Minsan, ang ginagawa mo pang titignan, yung una mo pang tinitignan, those who are married, ang una mo pang tinitignan, yung girlfriend mo, ay yung cellphone mo kaysa doon sa asawa mo. Pagagising, cellphone agad. Oh, alam niyo ba, kahit positive things yung titignan nyo, you get distracted from your target. You get distracted no matter how positive that thing that you will look into. Pag hindi yan aligned dun sa iyong gustong makuha, you'll get distracted. And ang distraction slows you down. Minsan, naliligaw pa kayo. Now off track. Alam nyo, I'm sure most of you, if not all, will agree. Mas mabilis po kayong mag-recruit, magpasali before kesa ngayon. Mas madali kayong makabenta. Mas madali kang kumausap ng tao. I'm sure kahit ako, less than a month here, 2 weeks, most of you will agree, kayo yung mga nandito matagal na, mas magandang opportunity ngayon, mas pinaganda nila press ng ating board, ang I Am Worldwide. Mandaming ginagawang kinukuhang mga endorser, mas maganda ngayon. Ba't ka bumabagal? Because you are distracted. Isang downside dyan ng distraction. Let me share with you yung ano ng kabayo. Puro hayop yung pag-uusapan natin. Alam nyo, ang horse is a very powerful animal. Kaya nga nire-refer to horse, yung power ng isang sasakyan at ng motor. Di ba narinig yun na? Ilang horsepower yung motor mo, Brad? Ilang horsepower yung engine yan? So aside from the power of yung strength ng horse, isa sa powerful sa horse, yung mata. Yung mata. Alam nyo ba kahit nakaharap dito yung horse, it can sense what's happening behind it? Oh! Yung pag nakaganyan, it can sense. And when it happens, instead na dumiretso yung kabayo, humihinto, bumabagal. Pag severe yung distraction, alam nyo bang minsan bumabalik to investigate, check yung ano yun? That prevents the horse from doing what it should do. Na dapat papunta ron, mabilis, may power siya. Kaya lang because of distraction, bumabagal. In fact, nawawala sa dapat niyang gawin. Minsan bumabalik. Kaya alam nyo, horsemen, years ago, thousands of years ago, they had invented the blinders. Ayan po, yung itim nandito, blinders ang tawag dyan sa Tagalog, tapahoho. It is attached to the bridle of the horse, tas nakaganyan, no? Alam nyo bakit? Para hindi niya makikita yung nangyayari sa likod. When it is black, ang focus ng kabayo, diretso. Kaya mabilis siyang makapunta doon sa paroroonan niya. Well, wala. Baka may magtanong sa inyo, mentor, saan ba nakakabili niyan? Kasi yung mga yung mga ibang kasamahan ko rito, yung mga matatagal na, ano po, kailangan malagyan ng blinders. Wala namang human blinders, pero nung research ako, may parang ganito, medyo malapit sa human blinders to, Mentor Ian. Natawa sila Ma'am Marisa, sila Mentor Marisa. Pero wala yan. kasi tayo naman, di natin makikita, no? Pero yung nasa likod, we don't need this. Yun lang nga minsan, nag-isip ako kung talagang hindi ba nakikita. Kasi naalala ko yung lola ko. Pag nakaharap po, sabi niya, nandun ako sa likod, may kukunin ako, kukupit. Dati pa to, kukupit. Sabi sa akin, "Hoy Adrian, alam ko yung ginagawa mo sa likod." Sabi ko, kabayo yata tong lola ko kasi nakikita ko. So alam niyo po ba, seriously, when you started with I Am Worldwide, whether it's 7 years ago, 7 months ago, 7 weeks ago, or 7 hours ago, mas mabilis ka kesa today? Because meron kang imaginary blinders. Nakafocus ka sa iba. You don't care about other things, but you are focused. Meron kang imaginary blinders. Let me remind you of your imaginary blinders when you were starting. Kaya mas mabilis ka. Ano yun? These are the things that you can get when you truly do by heart yung ating business. Wala kang pakialam. Anong gabi na may meeting? Di bali, pag nagawa ko naman to, yung travel na gusto ko, soon, mapupunta sa akin. Ano, may training? Di bali na. Kahit masyadong umaga. Kasi yung ano ko muscle car ko, yung aking sports car, it will be soon. These are your imaginary blinders. The travel, the house and that, and so on and so forth. Meron kanya nakafocus ka before. You don't care about the distraction. Ano po yung mga distraction? Dati, pag sinabing, uy, may meeting tayo sa Zoom. Zoom na nga lang, di ba? 8 p.m. Bakit namang gabi? Bakit 8? Sana 7. O, di ba ginawa namang 7 next week? Ba't namang 7? Sana 8. Meron tayong team build, may team day tayo every Monday. Ba't Monday? Dapat Tuesday. Ang nakikita mo yung mga the things that would prevent you from getting what you want. Yun ang pagkakaiba ng isang successful sa non-successful eh. Yung non-successful, they see the things that prevents them from getting what they want. But those who are, lahat po ng naririto, kasi buti na lang wala rito. Okay? Lahat ng naririto, you always see what you will get when you do these things. I want you to focus on the benefits of what you are doing. Huwag kayo mag-focus dun sa end result. Ano yung benefits? When you focus on the benefits ko, ano yung ginagawa mo? Attend ako ng training. Yes, because I will be equipped. I can speak well. I will learn how to, to have the right thinking. Well, you have the right action. When you have the right action, syempre, it follows yung right results. Now, again, focus on the benefits. Ano yung benefits nung ginagawa mo? Mamamrospect ka, grabe, nakakapagod. Hindi. At least may kausapin kang 10, baka may isang mag-yes ng appointment. Mapupuyat na naman ako. Di bali, may matututunan naman ako. Ako, layo ng biyahe. Di bali, enjoy ko na lang. Focus on the benefits of what you do. Focus on the benefits. Now, stay focused on these things. Sa aking pag-aaral sa IM Worldwide, ito lang, tingin ko, it's only a matter of time, you'll rank up. Ako talaga ang linaw eh. Ako linaw, sabi ko, dapat ganito. Hindi dahil magaling ako. No, we have a beautiful garden. Di ba sinabi, nakalimutan ko sino ba nagsabi nun. Nabasa ko, you make your garden beautiful so that butterflies will come in. You no longer need to chase butterflies. You equip yourself. Alam mo, equip mo yung sarili mo. Magpakadalubhasa ka. Bigyan ko kayo ng halimbawa. Bakit yung bini sinusundan kahit mahal? Di ba? Dati hindi naman sila kilala. Ngayon, biglang kahit mag-concert, ganito ang presyo. People follow. Taylor Swift. Lumilipad yung iba because Taylor Swift won't go to US, so they went to Singapore. Biro mo, lumipad na. Mas mahal pa yung accommodation, yung lipad ng eroplano. Kaysa magbayad ng ticket. Why? They follow. Why are they following Taylor Swift or some artist na meron tayo? Kasi ginawa nilang magaling yung sarili nila. Pag ginawa mong magaling yung sarili mo, become the master of what you do. You focus on this. Be a master of our product, business plan, focus on the benefits, action steps. You'll get your dreams. People will follow you. People will follow you, magugulat ka. Ako naman hindi naman sa pagmamayabang. Kaya nung nag-out ako, ang daming nag-message even from other company, hindi po ako matapos. Hindi dahil magaling ako. Kasi why? Because, well, siguro nakita nila, gusto kong makasama to. I like his vision. I like this ganito. Kasi hindi magaling. Minaster ko yung gusto kong gawin. Kasi ikaw ba sasama ako kay Adrian? Kaya lang parang hindi, parang mapapariwara buhay ko dito. So you won't do that. I want to be with Marisa because kasi alam ko, successful yan. Di ba? You be with the people that you wanna be with, na gusto mo yung buhay nila. Lagi kayo magkakasama, di ba? You adapt the good things. Imposibleng hindi ka matuto eh. So, focus on this. Alam nyo, huwag kayo malito, huwag kayo ma-distract. Ako una ko talaga, this is the third company. Product minaster ko talaga. Tinry ko talaga 3 buwan bago ko nakipag-meeting ng face-to-face kay Sir TJ. Business plan, huli ko na nga yan tinignan eh. Tapos, benefits, kaya nga nagkamali pa ako eh. Nagkamali pa ako. Kasi hindi ko masyado tinignan. Sabi ni TJ, sabi ko sa inyo, mentor TJ, okay, okay, you learn. Kasi sabi ko, hindi, good lang ako, okay na yan. Oh, kasi hindi naman ako makapagpasali ng Jade, imposible naman yan. Nakakadalawang Jade in 4 days. Nakuha mo, you do not judge for your prospect eh. You do not undermine what your products, your business can do. Alam nyo, sinasabi ko na po sa inyo, ako na bago pa lang rito, napakaganda ng IM Worldwide. Hindi mo kailangan magaling. Bonus na lang pag magaling ka. Ang kailangan lang, i-share mo. I-share mo. Ha? Gusto mo, Barley? Nagkakapi ka ba? Kaya ako ang daming kausap. O, pag nakita ko, medyo may edad na mga kaibigan. Oh, alam mo, meron kaming coffee with Tongkat Ali. Sabi niya, ha? O di, okay na agad. Kasi huwag mo offeran yung mga bata ng Tongkat Ali. So, alam niyo, yung tamang di ba? So, how can you do that, Mama Lionheart Catherine? When you master the products, yun ang master ko talaga. So, focus on this. I guarantee you, nako, results will come, no? Results. Yan. Are you okay so far, Sir Arnold? Okay po ba kayo? Pag nag-focus tayo sa IM Worldwide, huwag na kayo magtinda ng tosino, ng hotdog. Huwag na. Huwag na po kayo magtinda niyan, Miss Melanie, kung may mga nagtitinda tayo. Biro lang. So, focus po tayo. Let's focus po, Mama Team Miracle Josephine, Christopher Gamboa, Sir Prudencio, Mentor Prudencio. We focus on IM Worldwide. This alone can change your life. Ang laki na nung natin di ba? Nung convention. Tsaka it's only a matter of time eh. Ang ganda talaga, magkakasasakyan ka, talagang bigay, hindi mo bibilin. In a year's time, pag siseryosohin mo to, sigurado yung sasakyan eh. Hindi mo bibilin ha. I've been to two companies, alam mo, that's their money. O kaya nakinita mo, ibili mo. And ba't ka pa kumita, bumili kang sasakyan? Ba't ka pa kumita, bumili kang bahay? Dito free. You have to just to stay focused on what you do. Let's move forward. Now, ang suggestion ko po sa inyo is this. Kalimutan po natin yung mga balakid. Huwag tayong mag-complain. Bakit kasi green yung barley, yung lalagyan ng barley? Dapat yellow para makita. Bakit kasi orange? Bakit ba tatlo lang ilaw dito sa stage? Of course, I'm just exaggerating. Focus on the good things. Stay focused on the good things. Well, lahat ng bagay merong hindi maganda, may pangit. Focus on the good things. We conform. Ano ibig sabihin ng conform? We follow. Alam nyo, you follow our mentors, those who have been there, sinasabi ng mga successful. Alam nyo po ba, ang greatest teacher is not experience. Ang greatest teacher is learning, yes, experience from the experience of other people. Ibig sabihin, obedience po yan. Makinig at sumunod sa mga taong nakagawa na. Hindi naman natin sinasabing hindi ka magkakamali, pero less mistake kasi they have been there. Alam na nila yung daan eh. Less mistake. Now, one of the factors daw ng success or continuous success, nandyan yung activities, nandyan yung movement. Sabi movement, follow up and movement. Alam niyo po, let's continue doing things, activities. Sinare ko kay Mentor TJ. Dati kasi, ang iniisip ko activities, pag sinabi ko, dapat may activities tayo. We need activities so there'll be production. When there's a production, there's a possible result. When the results are consistent, you go to the momentum stage. Yan ang gusto natin eh. Ang akala ko, mahaba yan, pero ang akala kong activities lang, yung activities sa business, yung prospect, okay yun. Pero alam niyo mga activities, you just go out. You just go out, gawin mo yung dapat. Lumabas ka, wag ka dito. It is not necessarily you're doing activities for the business. Do anything. Kasi nung sinabi ko kay TJ, ito nakakatuwa. A few days ago, nagpapatulong ako kay Mentor Kat bago sila pumuntang Sambales. Sabi ko, Mentor Kat, paano ba mag-open ng account? Paano ko yung encashment ko? Di ba kinukulit ko si Mentor Kat? Ay sir, kailangan mong ganito. Eh wala nga akong ID, nawala yung list, nawala kasi yung wallet ko. Imagine nyo, I was just starting, nawala yung wallet ko. Can you imagine that blockage? Nawala, nandun lahat. Eh pag nag-apply ka, di ba kailangan mo ng ID. Eh, paano kung magkaka-ID? Wala nga. Sabi ko, naku, paano ba to? Sabi ni Mentor Kat, basta pumunta ka lang dito sa Monday. That was Friday, no? Thursday kami nag-usap. Kaya lang, Saturday, wala akong magawa. Sabi ko, pumunta ako sa BDO, sa South Mall, sa mall. Activity, I'm talking about activity. Hindi to, it has nothing to do with the business talagang diretso na prospecting, no? Pumunta ako doon. Pagpasok ko, magtatanong lang ako, baka pwede kaya. Pagpasok ko, alam niyo nangyari? Nakita ko yung friend ko whom I haven't seen for 21 years. Pag ano ko sa guard, sabi sa akin, "Huy, Adrian, anong ginagawa mo rito?" Hindi ko nga siya nakalala eh. Tapos sabi ko, "Huy, ma'am, ano?" Hindi ko nga maalala, hindi ko alam kung sa dating company, ano sabi niya, "Kamusta ka na? Ano, Adrian?" Sabi ko, "Mabuti naman." "Ano nga ba, ano nga bang ginagawa mo rito?" Alam mo sabi niya, "Ako yung operations manager dito." Sabi ko, "Talaga? Thank you, Lord." Parang gano'n. Tapos sabi niya, "Ano gagawin mo? Mag-open sana ako account eh. May ID ka ba?" Yun nga, wala ako eh. Sige, sige, kilala naman kita. Pero can you promise, can you give me your ID sa sa business mo? Wala nga eh, kasi mag-start pa lang ako sa business. That was March, na yon. Alam niyo nangyari? O sige, kasi kailangan ko mag-apply ng ATM. Hindi ako maka-apply kasi wala akong ID. Ngayon, hindi ako maka-apply ng ID na wala akong ibang requirements. So, hindi mo alam kung anong una, yung manok o yung itlog. 'Di ba? Pero sabi niya, sige, ganito na lang, ipaprocess ko, pero siguraduhin mo ibalik mo sa akin this Saturday. That was last Saturday. Nung pumasok na siya, walang requirements, Kath. Walang requirements. Bumalik ako sa guard, ano nga pala pangalan ng boss niyo? Si LV yan. O di, siya mismo nag-asikaso sa akin, sabi, ano nga ba itong IM Worldwide? Sabi, naririnig ko to, di ba kila to, Bini, mga ganon. Anyway, to cut the story short, babalik ako Saturday kasi sabi niya, babalik ko yung ID. Kasi nakuha na ako ng ID ni Kath. Babalik ako doon kasi sabi niya, bigay ko, tsaka niya i-release yung ATM and magdala daw ako ng barley. That's activity. Di ba? Anong potential? Branch manager, operations manager. So, siyempre, lahat ng niya. Tapos yung teller na, yung tinatype na yung "Sir, alam ko itong IM Worldwide. Ang dami yung billboard sa EDSA." So, dalawang prospect agad. I'll be back on Saturday. Siyempre, hindi mo naman papalampasin yun. Pero basta may benta na ako kaagad. Are you getting my point? It's movement. It's activities. So, not necessarily activities na naisip mo. Basta you move. You move. Huwag ka sa bahay. Kung nasa bahay ka, you chat, you text, you call, lahat. Huwag kayong manood ng mga sumasayaw na pusa, ha? It won't help, ha? Ma'am Michelle, Piago, don't watch, ha? Sir Arnold, huwag kayo, ha? Kat Herrera, don't, ha? Okay. Let's move on. Now, last two. A lot of challenge. You will encounter a lot of challenges. No, marami po talaga. And hindi ko kayo tinatakot, pero marami talaga. Pero I want you to be like an eagle. No? Ang eagle is one. I'll talk to king of their domains. No? Sabi ni Massimo, no? The eagle and the lion. Unahin ko lang yung eagle. Short about something about the eagle. Alam niyo yung eagle? It's a majestic bird. Ang isang ibon na yung talagang maganda, when it spreads its wings, mga 7 feet. 7 feet. Ganun kalaki. Imagine nyo, 7 feet. 7 feet pag nagganon. Parang NBA player, Sir Carlo. Mentor Carlo, di ba? Pag tinitingnan, pag 7 feet ang wingspan mo, galing nito. Kasi 7 eh. Sir Ian, Mentor Ian, di ba? So, ang isang majestic bird na eagle ay 7 feet. It flies where the jet planes are flying. Ibig sabihin, doon na sa taas kung nasan yung mga jet plane, about 2.5 miles up in the air. Ganun kataas. Kaya nga sinabi, when an eagle meets another bird, it must be an eagle as well. Kasi nobody can fly at that altitude except eagle. In a single flap ng eagle, alam niyo isang ganon, it could sustain him another 30 minutes in the air. Ganun kalakas. Isang ganun. No? Ako, sinusubukan ko eh. Parang hirap. Another 30 minutes in the air, Mentor Marisa. That's how strong the eagle is. Pag tinignan yung prey, in 1.5 kilometers, it can see the prey, yung rodent. Alam niyo rodent, yung dagang maliit. 1.5 kilometers, it can see in details. Ganun. Grabe. At saka ang taas ng lipad. Hindi gaya ng mga chicken. Kasi mga chicken, unang-una, hindi naman siya nakakalipad. Unless gulatin mo, boom! Okay, siguro makakaano. Doon na siya makakalipad. Pag ginulat mo yung manok, di ba? Tapos putak ng putak. May training tayo. Bakit may training? Ano oras? 8 o'clock tayo. Punta tayo sa office. Bakit tayo pupunta sa office? May mga mentors din tayong ganun, di ba? May mga tao tayo. So there are chickens. Pero, hey, let me warn all of you. Baka mamaya i-message mo, ha? Hoy, kaya pala wala ka rito, ha? You're a chicken. Quack, 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 quack. Uy, wag, oh, sabi ni Sir Aya. Hindi. Seriously. Alam nyo, let me congratulate all of you by being here. No? Ang dami kanina, it's 78, now it's 56. By being here, it means you're an eagle. This is an eagle school. This is an eagle school. Chickens cannot survive an eagle school. Kaya yung mga talagang pinipilit mo, ayaw, baka chicken. Hindi talaga. No, chickens cannot survive eagle school. Kaya yung mga nandito, congratulations. You must have left the chicken in the kapitbahay, kung sa opisina. Hayaan mo lang muna sila. Pero wag nyo i-text, ha. Kaya pala hindi ka sumama eh. Chicken ka eh. Bak, bak, bak. Pag may problema, pag may bagyo, ang eagle flies above the storm. It is not under the storm, in the storm, but above. In fact, ang eagle, ginagamit niya yung thermal wind. Ibig sabihin yung bugso ng hangin to further its distance. Ibig sabihin, kaysa makita niyang problema yung bagyo, ginagamit niya yung para mas mapalayo siya. And at the same time, hindi siya doon, nasa ibabaw siya. Alam niyo ba't ganyang kaganda ang quality? Maraming napakagandang qualities ng eagle. It has something to do with what it feeds on. Ibig sabihin, ano yung kinakain ng eagle? Ang eagle will not settle for dead meat. Yung mga carcasses, yung mga patay, hindi. It will hunt fresh rabbit, monkey, isda. Fresh. Kaya pala ang lakas. Now, may tanong ako sa inyo. What are you feeding your mind? Fresh information or dead information? Chismis, kalokohan. Kaya pala you must have been flying up here, tapos puro nakakasama mo, puro chicken, puro negative. Kasi you are flying too low. Mababa po yung lipad natin. Baka kaya nakukuha lang natin, not to belittle. You are supposed to get jade. Kaya lang sabi mo, kahit bronze, kahit copper na lang, kahit isang box na lang po, kasi you're not confident, you're way too low. Ito mo, jade. Ito po ang pinakamaganda. Todo mo. Kasi sabi mo, hindi, pang ano lang to. No. You cannot discount the possibility and the capability of your prospect. Piliin po natin yung mga pinapapasok natin sa isipan, nababasa at naririnig. Yung residue na sinasabi ko kanina. So I want you to fly above the storm. Magkakaroon po tayo talaga ng problema. Pero do not be in the storm. Pag may problema, may umalis. Pag-usapan natin, ba't umalis? Huwag na doon. Walang sumasali. Pag-usapan natin, ba't hindi sumasali? Hindi doon. You fly above the storm. Paano kaya may sasali? Umalis o di umanap ng bago? Be an eagle. How? You feed yourself, your mind, fresh things. Kaya nga, again, let me congratulate those who organize this. Alam niyo po, napakaganda nitong ganito. Ako nga, gustong-gusto umattend. Umattend ako ng team building ng Feb 28 and March 1. I've learned a lot. Sa mga nag-share, ang dami kong notes dun ha. I've learned a lot. No? Kailangan nating matuto. Kasi ako po, maaaring may experience ako sa iba, pero hindi ko alam yung experience nyo dito. I will learn from you. I will listen to you. Nauna kayo dito eh. I need to listen to you po. Ayoko magkamali. Ang hirap kaya. And lastly, lion is the king of the jungle. I'm sure when you see a lion, ang pumapasok dyan, brave, strong, leader, king of the jungle. It is the king of the jungle. Pag sinabing king, hari, yung influence matindi. Tama? Malakas ang influence niya. And you need influence. It is the king of the jungle, though it is not the tallest. Diba? Giraffe naman yung tallest. No? It is the king of the jungle, though it is not the largest. It is not even the heaviest. Hindi nga rin yan yung katropa mong matalinong makulit. It's not even the smartest or the fastest like the hyena or the cheetah. Pero still, it's the king of the jungle. Alam niyo bakit siya king of the jungle? It has something to do with his attitude, yung perception, thinking niya. Siya ang king of the jungle because ang iniisip niya, pag may nakita siya, let's take for example, elephant. Pag nakita niyo yung elephant, ang tingin niya sa elephant, lunch. I can eat this. Ayang matangkad na giraffe, kahit matangkad yan, kaya ko pabagsakin yan. He can see the possibility. He will see the possibility. It has something to do with his attitude, yung mental attitude o yung tinatawag na leadership spirit niya. The possibility in every situation. Unlike yung elephant, ang laki-laki, in a single stump, patay naman yung lion, di ba? Hindi nga kayang patumbahin ng isang lion ng elephant. Pero, in a single stump, patay yan. Pero bakit? Anong kabaliktaran naman ng elephant? Pag may nakita siyang lion, anong pumapasok sa isip niya? Naku, eater to. Kakainin ako nito, takbo. Anong kinalaman yan dito sa business natin? Pag may nakita kang prospect, possible prospect, ang tingin mo dyan, jade. Ang tingin mo dyan, bronze. Ang tingin mo dyan, bibili ng barley. Ang tingin mo dyan, bibili ng kahit ano. Hindi yung tatawagin ka ng iyong bagong partner. Pagtawag sa'yo, halika, meron tayong kakausapin. Doktor, naku, Diyos ko. Mas magaling pa sa atin yan eh. Ayan yung may-ari niyan, 5 kotse. Naku, yaman na niyan, hindi na kailangan to. You're seeing the things that would prevent you from getting what you want. Takot na takot ka. Alam mo ba, even though, with due respect, even though they're the president of the company, they're the CEO, they own a multi-million business, they don't know what we are offering. Hindi nila alam to, Barley. Hindi nila alam yan. Hindi nila alam yung kape natin, hindi nila alam yung may tongkat ali, hindi nila alam yung may glutathione, they don't know yung autospill, they don't know. Whatever you say, yun yung magiging tama. Kahit sabihin mo, alam mo, yung barley namin may autospill. Ha? Ano yun? Of course, I'm not saying you say that, no? Pero, kaya nga sabi ko, magpakadalubhasa ka sa product. Whatever you say, that's what we will believe on. Huwag kang matakot eh. Wala, hindi ka naman mamamatay siguro. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung pinakamatagal na rito sa IME. Check nyo. Meron na bang na-ospital o nahimatay o namatay dahil nagkamali sa presentation? Ay, parang wala naman. Di ba? Ano ngayon kung mali? Hindi naman niya alam. Di ba? Hindi naman niya alam eh. Wala. You just do your thing. Pag may nakita ka, kung hindi J2, platinum to eh. Kung hindi copper to, bibili to. Kung hindi ngayon, mamaya. Kung hindi credit card, cash. Kung hindi sasali, bibili. Kaya pag tinanong nyo, nag-close kayo, ma'am, may tanong po ba kayo? Wala. Ma'am, may tanong ako sa inyo. Sasali po kayo o bibili? Sasali po ba kayo o bibili na lang ng package? Ha? Ayoko sumali, bibili lang ng package. Good! Huwag kayo sumali, bumili lang kayong package. Gold po ba or jade? Huwag yung sasali po ba kayo o hindi? Huwag ka be confident. Pagkatapos mo, ma'am, ano pong tanong nyo? Sasagutin ko lahat yan. Kahit hindi ka sure. Pero dapat ka, mag-aral ka. Assumptive close. Diba? Ngayon po ba mamaya? Cash, credit card, GCash, Maya, o ganun. Pipirma na ba o pipirma? Kasi dapat you have sincerely done your best. You believe you have sincerely done your best. Yan. So, I hope you learned something today. So, when you have the right attitude po sa ginagawa mo, sa produkto mo, sa sarili mo, even though you don't have the results yet, people will respect you. Bakit modesty aside mga ka-mentors dito? Wala pong nagtanong sa akin, sa dami ng nag-message at tumawag po kahapon, simula 1 o'clock hanggang 9 p.m., hindi po ako natapos. Walang nagtanong, may resulta ka na ba? Adrian, gusto ko sabihin, paano makakaresulta? Dahil 3 araw pa lang ako. Di ba? Gusto ko sabihin, wala pong nagtanong, wala. Ang mga tanong, pasabay. Minsan papakita ko sa inyo, in-screenshot ko, binura ko yung mga pangalan. Pasabay, salip po ako. Ano po yung marketing plan? They have the respect, hindi sa akin, dun sa IM Worldwide. So kaya huwag kayong matakot. At kahit wala pa po kayong resulta, when you have the respect, you'll have influence over them. And that's what you want, influence over them, influence over them. Now, how can you have influence over people, over your prospect? Pag tingin nila, ang galing magsalita nito, parang doktor. Bili nga ako. Parang yung walang sakit, napapalagyan mo ng sakit, yung mga ganon. Hindi naman, wag kayong ganon. Alam nyo, gaya ng sinasabi ko, be efficient and effective lang. You get to know the products, the product and the business plan. Just, ang trabaho po natin is just to share, not to convince. It's up to them to convince themselves. Share nyo lang po. Yan. So, meron po ba kayong natutunan? I hope you learned something tonight. Alam niyo, let me share you although luma na to, wala akong makita kaninang picture. Pero alam niyo ba, tingnan niyo whether it's iPhone, ganito, Samsung, may mas in-demand na phone kesa sa ibang phone, kahit na yung pinaka-latest. Not because, di ba, may mas in-demand to, minsan ito, minsan ito. Mas in-demand ng isang bagay. Hindi dahil sa itsura, hindi naman, parang halos pare-pareho naman ng iPhone, tsaka, di ba, parang pareho itsura, di ba? Yung kulay, yung bigat, not necessarily. You know why mas in demand sa aking analysis, naiisip ko lang, ang isang phone versus the other? It's because of the application. O, gano'ng karami application yan? Di ba? Tingnan mo to, may pwedeng mag-plancha rito sa cellphone ko, pwedeng magluto. Ano pong gusto ko sabihin sa inyo? If you learn something today, if you were able to get some information, for you to have a transformation, you have to put it into practice. Gawin lang po natin and watch what happens. No, gawin niyo lang po kasi no matter how much information and training, kahit siguro si Press AM pa at si VPI ka mag-training sa atin palagi, pag hindi natin isa sa buhay yung mga natutunan natin, wala pong mangyayari. Dapat we leave the instruction. Ibig sabihin, gawin po natin. And last ko siya nilagay, pero this should be the first one on your list. We seek God first. We seek God first. Hindi po ako nagpapaka-banal, pero unahin po natin si Lord. Bago yung cellphone mo sa umaga pagising mo, bago mo tignan yung cellphone mo over your wife or husband, you pray first. You need wisdom, yung sinabi ni Sir Ian kanina. I love that. Wisdom is very important, hindi lang po knowledge. Kasi ang wisdom, kasi we are making decisions every now and then. Isang maling decision po, take it from me. Magsisimula pa lang ako, ang laking challenge po ang nangyari. Nahinto ako ng 5 days, nagkaroon ako ng challenge. Kasi because of one wrong decision, because I let it slip. Tingin ko, ano ba nakalimutan ko? I did not pray. Ito sinabi ni Lord, that's my life verse po. Naka-Hebrew siya, Matthew 6:33. We seek God first. This is the promise, no? Di ba sinasabi? We dwell on the promise, not on the problem. One of the promises of our Heavenly Father, to seek God first. Unahin po daw natin si Lord. Unahin ang kanyang mga righteousness. Hindi naman sinasabing magsimba tayo araw-araw. Hindi po, unahin. When we wake up, before we do presentation, Lord, nagawa ko ni samahan niyo po ako kayo na mag-present. Hindi yung papupuntahin mo si Lord, ikaw hindi pupunta doon na. Nandun ka pa rin, pero, di ba? So, righteousness and all these things, ang sinabi po, this is the promise and all these things. So, ibig sabihin, all. Ano yung all? Yung gusto natin. Yung gusto natin. Let me put this in the language of network marketers. Unahin daw natin si Lord at ang kanyang righteousness. Hindi lang yung pangarap natin na rank, pangarap natin na kotse, yung pangarap natin malagay sa billboard ang mabibigay sa atin. Pati yung pangarap siguro ng katabi mo at kapitbahay niyo bibigay sa inyo. So basta unahin natin si Lord. Buti na lang hindi ako nakatabi sa inyo kasi baka makuha niyo yung pangarap ko. So with that, I'd like to thank you all for patiently listening to me. Maraming salamat po. It's a privilege to speak in front of you, wonderful leaders and of IM Worldwide Team Victory. Maraming salamat po. I'm overwhelmed. Nandito yung mga mentors na iba. DJ, I saw DJ, si DJ, listen to DJ, napakagaling po niyan, vast experience in the business, sila mentor Ian and the rest. Thank you and I'll see you po very soon. Maraming salamat po. Sir Ian, Mentor Ian.
Palakpakan naman natin si Mentor A. Mentor A, yan, before tayo tapos and show much appreciation sa time niyo po. No? Picture muna tayo.
Picture?
Sure. Yan.
Saan ba, no?
Pwede natin i-highlight si Mentor A para sa picture.
Oh, alam niyo after this, I'll be going, meron ako isang talk, and then magkikita pa kami ni Mentor TJ. We have 2 talks after this. 4 na araw na kaming 4 a.m. umuwi ni Mentor TJ. Bubuin na namin. Parang hilo-hilo na ako. Okay. Ayan,
Congrats.
Mentor Roland.
Parang hindi ko nakikita yung iba. Okay lang siya.
Ikaw muna, Mentor A. Tapos
Ako muna. Sige.
Mentor Roland, take it away.
Answer is, thank you po. Rinig po ako, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
Wala po muna mag-chat mentors para di po matangkas. Thank you. D-sign lang po. I am signed po, Sir A. 1, 2, I am signed po. Rinig po ba ako?
Ay, sorry.
I am signed po. 1, 2, isa pa po. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Lahat po tayo. Lahat po lahat.
Ayan, lahat. Remove spot
Lahat.
na.
Lahat, pati yung nandun sa labas.
Alright.
Ang linaw nyo. Susunod, malinaw na.
Okay. Let's listen. Yan. Mentor Roland, take it away.
Si Mentor TJ, oh.
1, 2, 3. Smile. Next page po. Next page. 3 page po ito.
Ay, wow,
Second
3 page. Wow.
May brown out kasi. May brown out sa akin eh. Ayan. Okay. Tapos na.
Yun, no?
Ayan.
Hey, Mentor Mer.
Congratulations.
Mer. I need to go. Thank you.
Yes.
I'll see you. I need to go. May isa akong habulin na 9 o'clock. Tapos magkikita kami ni Mentor TJ in a while. Pero may...
Sir A, pero before that, to give you much appreciation, no, we want to to show everyone this certificate, no. So marami.
Ay, wow.
May certificate to, Sir A.
Wow, thank you. Gusto ko yan kasi lalagay ko soon sa office ko. Kasi, syempre, yung mga iba, tinanggal ko na. Syempre, at least may isa na ako.
And ito na po. Yan.
Alam nyo, bago yung picture ko, care of Ma'am Kath.
Yes.
Thank you. Uy, ang ganda naman yan. Thank you so much. Ano yan, merong hard copy?
Pwede po ibigay yung soft copy or
Kasi papaprint ko. Hindi, serious. Thank you. That's very talaga sa inyo, thoughtful of all of you. Salamat po. I appreciate yung mga ganyan. Very valuable sa akin yung mga ganyan. Salamat. I'll see you in the office baka sa Friday or Saturday and some other time. I just really need to go.
Yes po. Thank you,
Thank
Mentor
you.
A.
Thank you everyone. Salamat po sa inyo. Mentor Ian, salamat ha. Upline ko yan.
Thank you.
Mentor Ian.
Mentor.
Upline ko si Mentor. God bless you all.
Thank you, boss.
God bless.
Thank you, Mentor A.
Mentor.
And palakpakan naman natin. And of course, let's appreciate the presence also nung ating grand mentor, si Mentor TJ po is right here with us. Yan, maraming salamat, Mentor TJ.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank
kamusta
you.
kayo? See you at the top, mga mentors.
Thank you, Mentor TJ.
Hanggang pa to, tingin ko 4 a.m. ulit. May mga kausap kami. So,
Ingat.
kita-kits.
Kita-kits po. Yan.
Takits.
Ayan. So, thank you guys to each and every one of you. And of course, congratulations, no? Sobrang loaded yung ating learnings, millionaire mentorship for this night, no? And of course, for the next upcoming millionaire mentorship, kailangan hindi kayo mawawala kasi as you can see naman na talagang we are learning so much pag uma-attend tayo ng mga ganitong trainings, no? So, but before we end, of course, we have some announcement first. But dun sa mga announcement po natin, let me call on one of our mentors sa ating Team Victory. Yan. So let's all welcome sa ating virtual stage. Take it away, Mentor Carl, for further announcement po.
Alright, thank you very much, Mentor Ian. Grabe, no? Busog-lusog talaga. Maapaw. Full of wisdom again. As always.